What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking this big desk, this big L desk that I work at every single day, and we're going to make it a sit-stand desk. You guys might remember when we built this desk back in 2020, I think, when all of us were working from home. I've been lucky enough to continue working from home for a certain number of days every week, and there are times when you'll be sitting at meetings all day long, doing project management plans all day long, writing documents, whatever it is. And I would like to stand up and do that for a little while to just stretch out the legs, get the blood flowing. A little bit of work cut out to us. I'd like to get this turned around quick so that I can get back to work on Monday at this desk. It is Friday at about 3 o'clock right now. Let's see if we can get this knocked out today. Couple of things. This is a cantilever desk. It is mounted to the wall right here on one side, and it sits on top of the filing cabinet for the other side. So the plan is this section right here moves up and down. So essentially I got to get this side disconnected from here, brackets underneath. We're going to cut it right there. This side will stay on top of the filing cabinet. This side will move up and down. When it is up, you will see the edge of the filing cabinet. When it's down, it'll sit right on top of it. We got this nice little round over to right here, and this is where the L of the other side of the desk comes from. 23.5 inches right in here somewhere. I think that's where I'm going to cut it with the Kreg track saw. And that's it. We won't round over those edges at all. Maybe whack it with a little bit of sandpaper, get some stain on there, and then I will use a brush on polyurethane to seal the edge. I'm going to be using some General Finishes high performance polyurethane. This is a brush or spray finish. Because we're only doing the edge, I don't really want to get the spray guns out. I know I'm a spray finish or don't do it type of guy, but this will be a lot quicker. Now you can use anything, Varathane, Minwax, polyurethane, whatever you want. I also understand that you probably are making a sit-stand desk and you may not want to make the slab, and that's okay because Home Depot has butcher block slabs right now. You can use a door, cut it down to make a slab. So you may be watching this video not necessarily to modify a desk or make a sit-stand desk. You are just looking at different sit-stand desk options, and this is a design you can use, and these are some of the techniques that we can share with you. For the sit-stand mechanism, I am going to be using a Fezibo. I believe I have a model S4. Should be awesome, and it has memory settings and all that good stuff. Well packaged. Oh, that's heavy. Here's our keypad to program in the heights that we want, which will be fantastic. If you guys want one of these, check out the link in the description below to go to Fezibo's website where they have sit-stand desks. They've got treadmills that go underneath so you can walk while you're standing there, which is pretty cool. They have some accessories to organize your desk as well as some chairs. Good things like that. Main commodity being the sit-stand desk. Full desks, and then just mechanisms like I'm going to be setting up here today because I already had a top. But if you wanted to buy a full desk from them, they got some pretty cool looking ones. They got a big L-shaped one as well. Check them out. Programming should be as simple as holding S and the number that we want. This will be my second position, my standing position at 40 inches, and the sitting position at 28.5, I think, which is number 1. So I hit number 1, automatically going to go down right flush with the other desk. Probably scooch things in just a fraction. Back to my standing, number 2. Well, it is dark outside, but it only took us a couple of hours to get this desk back in the office. As you can see, big difference right now. We have the Fezibo keypad right here. And if I hit my number 2 set point, the desk is leaving. It's going up. You got a readout right here of where you're at. It looks like 40 inches for me and something like 28.4, 28.5. Lines right up with the desk over there. You can see where we cut it. Stays stationary over the file cabinet over there. And this is looking great. We've got the monitors back in here. Everything's covered up. We just have the 2 cables down at the bottom there. I do need to do a little bit more investigation to be able to tie the light in, which I put over there, because I need to get a different power source over there so that power source doesn't move up and down. And then also the cabling for my work computer to tie into just the monitors that I have over here. We'll work on that. But anyway, check out the link below to the Fezibo e-commerce website where you can buy a DIY accessory like this. You can buy full-blown desks. Highly recommend it. Good for your health to get up and move around every once in a while. I'm DIYTyler. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hammer that thumbs up button, as it helps us out a lot and gets this video in front of more eyes and allows us to do more videos when we get more sponsors like Fezibo. I'm DIYTyler. You guys have a good one.